A clean composition usually feels more professional because every frame has a specific purpose. Today, how to design purposeful frame systems. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert multiple frames in a balanced layout while keeping equal spacing between sections for clarity. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting the crops carefully for consistency. Select the background and apply a soft neutral or muted gradient tone. Slightly enlarge one frame to establish hierarchy while maintaining visual balance. Add thin geometric accents or border lines with reduced opacity to reinforce structure subtly. Use position tools